What do you hear? What do you hear now? Context. Apart from the volume, it's just EQ and delay. The most important part is the spread knob. It's poorly panned, check it. Not too bad, but it's all fixed. I did it after the delay. Just delay. Since the delay is so prominent, I can use the tape to shape the tone further. A little bit of the formula and the speed. I didn't even have the EQ at that time. As you can hear, it has like an organ in the background, Quinta by Nembrini on the flute, and then the delay makes the rest. I was going for a center and spacious horn section because it's the big end. Now I wonder if using two model tracks, you know, the stereo gets a little bit more spread. I have to do it in context, I wouldn't know, but probably like that for a reason. Now the EQ. Easy. So check this out. Let's do it the other way around. Check. They are here. All around. Now the bass's work is just bring back the bass. Well, that's it. You see, it sounds shrill. Of course, there's a little bit of distortion. See? And then the spread. It fixes the stereo on the delay. Now I wonder what? I wonder. No hat. Can't hear it. Sounds good to me. I don't care.